how to access secure folder on any Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use the secure folder on your Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So before we can use secure folder, we need to enable it. We can do that by swiping up from the home screen and then selecting settings. Once in the settings, scroll down until you get to security and privacy and select security and privacy. Now all we need to do is scroll down a little bit and you'll see more security settings. Select that and then just select secure folder. It'll give you some information about the secure folder, but all we need to do is select continue, and then we can tell it what we want it to secure. So these are all the things it can secure. Go ahead and select continue. It'll go ahead and create the folder for us. It might take several seconds, up to a minute. Then once it's been created, we need to select how it will be locked. Now you can use a PIN, password, or pattern, password being the most secure. You can also use your fingerprint if you have biometrics set up, and you can also configure how you will have it reset with your Samsung account if you want to. I'm just going to choose a PIN because that's the easiest for me. Go ahead and enter the PIN that you want and then select continue. Once you've set the PIN, you can allow your lock to be reset with your Samsung account. It's up to you, but I think it's safe enough to do this, and this will allow you to gain access to it if you forget your PIN. So I'm going to select allow. Now all we need to do is select next in the bottom. It'll bring us to our secure folder. So this is where we can see what's in our secure folder, and we can also start adding things to it. Now, real quick, if you ever want to access your secure folder, all you need to do is swipe up, and then in the apps, I'm going to swipe right and you'll see secure folder. We could add that to our home screen by simply long pressing it and dragging it up into the home screen right there, where then you can see I can quickly access it. So now that we have it open, to add items to it, select the little plus button, and then we can choose to add apps from our phone. So you can see all the apps that are on our phone, and we can quickly add something by just selecting next to it and then selecting add. Now, as you can see, it will add that to secure folder. Now, if you want to add files or images, videos, anything like that to your secure folder, very easy. Select the three dots, then select add files, and then just choose what it is. So if it's a video or image, audio, anything, select that. I'm just going to choose documents. Then I'll choose a PDF and then select done. And then you can choose to either have it moved or copied. If you copy it, the unsecured version will still stay in its place, so people can still view it without accessing the secure folder. If you move it, then the only way you can view that item is by opening the secure folder. So I'm going to select move. And then as you can see, if I go into my files and then documents, I can see the PDF and open it up. Some of the other things in here, if you open the camera in secure folder and take a picture, the photo will be saved to your secure folder. So in order to view that picture, you'll have to open up the secure folder. Additionally, in here, you can create notes, and any notes you create within the secure folder will be kept and be only visible in the secure folder, along with contacts, internet usage, and calendar items. Additionally, here, if you want to delete a file, simply find the file and then long press it, and then you can select at the bottom to either move it outside of the secure folder to internal storage or something, or you can delete it. All right, so that's how you access and use the secure folder on your Samsung phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.